Tonight, devastation in paradise. Acapulco, Mexico, once a world-famous, thriving tourist destination, now in total ruin. The coastal city, home to nearly 1 million people, taking a near direct hit from Hurricane Otis, a monster Category 5 storm. The Mexican government says Otis has killed at least 27 people, while 4 remain missing, despite the 13,000 troops deployed to the scene. Some people now looting grocery stores, desperate for food, water, and other essentials. Store shelves left completely bare. This tourist in Mexico City says she tried asking military soldiers for help. The soldiers just stared at me like I was crazy, she says. They told us to go steal from a store. The storm exploding in size and strength, growing from a tropical storm to a Cat 5 hurricane in just 12 hours, leaving little time to prepare or evacuate.
Y explota todo el departamento, vidrio tras vidrio en un segundo. Y ahí fue cuando me quedé en shock, literal.
28-year-old Jaime Villanueva and his girlfriend capturing this video in the early overnight hours.
¿Cómo estás?
Emerging to find their world torn apart.
Es impresionante, literalmente como de película de terror.
The destruction leaving beachfront resorts unrecognizable from the air. The soccer complex inundated with floodwaters. Landslides destroying Acapulco's main highway, leaving families scrambling over the muddy mess. The airport so badly battered it had to shut down. Mexican President Andrés Manuel López Obrador vowing government aid is also on the way, while military leaders maintain the death toll remains the same, despite 24 hours passing since the last official count.
Pero todo indica de que aún siendo lamentable la pérdida de cualquier persona, no fueron tantos.
But those who still haven't heard from loved ones fear the number will be much higher.
And Valerie Castro joins us now. Valerie, I understand officials have now been able to start evacuating residents from Acapulco. What more can you tell us there?
Well, Gabe, even though the airport was badly damaged, government officials say they were able to get operations at the control tower back up and running. A so-called air bridge has now been established between Acapulco and Mexico City to fly supplies in and get stranded people out. But communications are still patchy. Many people still waiting to hear from family members that they just have not been able to reach. Power has been restored to about 50%.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.